Kaggle Challenge of the price of 200,000 USD dollars. US dollars for youth, for programming AI, for developing machine learning and deep learning. The problem is to recover the LLM. LLM stands for large language models, prompts that was used to rewrite a given text. طبعا it's a very important and large contest for teams around the world. Before we start this video and this contest from Kaggle, please subscribe to the channel to reach every important and useful videos we upload uh, about scholarships and contests and AI contests and programming contests worldwide. Press like if you like the video and share the video with others in groups in WhatsApp and Facebook. So let's go to the details of this. I received email for this competition or challenge from Kaggle. Kaggle, it's a famous and worldwide famous AI developer, machine learning developer. So let's learn more by pressing here. The deadline of 9 of April 2024. So you have to register and or sign in your account. If you have account in Kaggle, you sign in. So I will sign in. I have an account with my email. This is my account password. And then sign in. And here the competition, which is large language models, prompt recovery, the overview of the contest and description. This is the description. The challenge recovered the LLM prompt used to rewrite a given text. You will be tested against a dataset of more than 1,300 original texts, each paired with a rewritten version from Gma, Google's new family of open models. The evaluation, very important to read the evaluation. For each row in the submission and corresponding ground truth sentence, T5 base is used to calculate corresponding embedding vectors. The score of each predicted expected pair is calculated using the sharpened cosine similarity using exponential of 3, and the ESCS is used to attenuate the generous score given by embedding vectors for incorrect answers. Don't leave any rewrite prompt blank, as null answers will throw an error. Submission file. This is the submission file, and this is the timeline. Announcing and the start of competition was 27 of February, and the deadline, enter deadline, you must accept the competition rules before this date in order to compete, of 9 of April. Final submission deadline is 16 of April 2024. And this is the prices. First place will get $100,000. The second $40,000, until the seventh place is just $5,000. You can compete alone or in teams. In addition to the ministry prices, we will also have special Kaggle merchandise available for 25 Kagglers that do all of: 1. Upload a model variation to Kaggle models. 2. Attach that model to a public notebook that makes a successful submission of this competition. And 3, nominate yourself for recognition by submitting this Google form. Code requirements. These are the code requirements. And citation. This is the citation. This is the citation for this. You can press join competition and start when you start. Don't forget to develop your situation and records and rating in Kaggle through or by studying and learning and get courses, online courses from Kaggle like Pandas, intermediate machine learning, data visualization, introduction to deep learning, introduction to game AI, introduction to programming, Python, introduction to SQL, advanced SQL, computer vision, time series, data cleaning, introduction to AI 6, and machine learning explainability. This will enhance your situation and increase your experience in your profile like this, and you will attract other competitors to join and create teamwork and to join a team for writing code or model for winning this channel. Enhance your biography also, and try to increase these 4 sections. Increase the dataset contributor to get more medals, increase your notebooks contributor to get more medals, and discussion contributor for more medals, because increasing medals means increasing your situation, increasing your rating, and attracting others to shape new teams to join these competitions. And at last, you can gain prizes, and again more monies from winning these challenges or competitions. Thanks for watching the video. Don't hesitate to ask any question and I will reply you as soon as possible. Like the video and share the video with others to send them useful and important videos about the programming, AI programming, contests, scholarships around the world. Thanks for watching the video.